Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel, Doctor's Goal. Let's talk about pathophysiology of multiple myeloma. We have myeloma. Myeloma cells inhibit OPG, interact with bone mesenchymal stem cell and produce trans cells. Trans act on osteoclast progenitor cells and differentiate into osteoclast and increase activity of osteoclast. DKK-1 release from myeloma cell act on osteoblast and decrease activity of osteoblast. The Rankel receptor expressed on bone marrow mesenchymal stem cell and interact with osteoclast progenitor and differentiate into osteoclast and increase the activity of osteoclast. MIP-alpha directly release from myeloma cells and attach with osteoclast and increase the activity of osteoclast. Interleukin-6, it attaches to osteoclast. It has positive effect on osteoclast. After that, it goes and gets attached to myeloma cell and decrease apoptosis in myeloma cells. Lytic lesion. Lytic lesion, because of increased activity of osteoclast, lead to lytic lesion and after that lead to bone fracture. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.